We work at the ministry as a team, Honorable Speaker, and we take responsibility for different activities at different times. This particular activity or this particular trip did not find me in town, Your Excellency, Honorable Speaker, because I was performing other duties elsewhere. But the team was fully facilitated. I can confirm to this House that indeed I was not at the airport at the departure of this team, but officers of the ministry accompanying this team ensure that all the preparations required were done and that full funding as required was fully done. Mr. Speaker, I can also confirm that we remained in touch with this team throughout the period of these games. We tracked their participation, and upon their return from this trip, we had a reception at the airport, complete with the traditional dancers, Mr. Speaker, which is a tradition for us in this country. We had officers of the ministry. We even had garlands of flowers to garland them and to celebrate them.